Alright guys, so now we're going to show you how to put on the wall decals. So we use the laser level to position all these, but I would recommend spacing out all your graphics, taping it in position so you don't really need someone to help you. Once you got in position, you can peel back your vinyl. Okay? It's better if you hold it where the tape is so you don't have to touch the vinyl. You only want to peel it back enough where you can start your first application. So I cut off the backing paper, and now see I'm applying it with my hand just to get that on temporarily. Get your squeegee out. Apply pressure. And now that's essentially sitting on the wall. You can take the rest of the backing paper, pull it off slowly and carefully. You can always get someone to help you out. And don't let it touch the wall yet. Have your squeegee basically push it down along the center. This part, any part that falls down, you can just give it a touch. You don't have to squeeze it on, just so it holds up there. Right, so now it's on. It's not on fully. I can take off my hinges. And if you see something touching that you want to pull out, because there's a little pocket, you can still pull it up. And always remember, I stopped over here. You don't want to create any air pockets, so you close it off, overlap the parts you've already squeegeed until you get to the end. That's it. Just hinge and work from one side at a time.